First off, let's talk about the meaning of tension headaches. Tension headaches are the most popular form of headache. As the name suggests, they mainly occur because of taking on too much stress or because of muscle tension. More often than not, tension headaches do not bring about vomiting, nausea, or light sensitivity, but they do give you that pounding head and can disturb both sides of the head. Before you can treat your head pain, there are two types of tension headaches you should know about. The first type of tension headaches are episodic tension headaches, which tend to last less than 15 days per month. And the second type are incessant tension headaches, which last more than 15 days a month. Usually, if you have tension headaches, then you will feel your headache travel from the back of your head into the front. This can cause the muscles in your shoulders, neck, and jaw to feel stiff and sore. Before we show you the symptoms of tension headaches, which you need to understand before being able to treat your headaches. If you are enjoying and learning from today's video so far, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, be sure to leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and we will personally reply to each of your comments. Nearly all tension headaches only last for a short time and clear up within minutes or few hours. Some people that deal with tension headaches describe their pain like a skull cap or hand-like object that envelopes their skull, whilst others explain the pain they go through as a muscle stiffness around their neck, eyebrow, or shoulder areas. Even though the pain can be excruciating, but majority of those affected by tension headaches can still proceed with their daily functions, despite the pain. As with any disease, the first step in getting rid of it is to understand its causes. As the name, tension headaches, suggests, its biggest cause is taking on more stress. But stress is not all. Sometimes not having enough sleep at night or avoiding meals can also trigger these tension headaches, along with poor lifestyle choices like smoking or not drinking enough water. As promised, here are the 14 best ways to treat tension headaches. Tip number 1. Use a headache diary. This means noting down everything you've done during the day, what foods you ate, what activities you carried out, any medications, and how your headache pain was like on this day. Try to record any symptoms you feel. This will help you find the causes of this headache and also assist your doctor to find out an accurate treatment plan. For example, when you experience a headache, put down information in your headache diary, like the date your pain started, what time it occurred, and any warning signs you experienced. After several weeks or months, you will be able to make connections between the causes of your headaches. For example, if your journal shows that headaches occurred on days when you ate a particular food, then that food may be your trigger. Tip 2. Use lavender oil or peppermint. Breathing in the smell of lavender oil and peppermint can also help reduce headache pain. Patients with tension headaches who use these oils report a significant relief from their pain. Tip 3. Stop using pain-relieving medications. Most of the time, your head pain may in fact be a side effect of using pain-relieving medicines. If you do use these medicines, then try to use minimal doses or try to find a natural alternative to them. Tip 4. Deep breathing. As we go through our day, we tend to forget about ourselves. Because we are so focused on other things, we even forget to breathe fully. Try to take out at least 15 minutes of your day to only practice deep breathing. This will help clear up your mind, reduce stress, and bring the attention back onto the body. Tip 5. Cut down the stress you give yourself. It's easier said than done, but when it comes to tension headaches, your primary target should be to reduce stress. One of the most simple ways of doing this is to plan out your day. This way, you will be well organized and less stressed about things you still need to get done. In this schedule, be sure to take time out for the other tips on today's list. Tip 6. Take a nap. As soon as you feel your tension headache pain, find a relaxing place and lie down. Even though most people carry on with their works, but this can make the pain worse. You can put a cold pack on your head or drink a cold drink to cool the mind and lie down until your pain passes before continuing your work. Tip 7. Go hang out with your pals. One of the best ways to ease stress is by spending quality time with the people you love and cherish. Try to give your attention to the positive things in life over the negatives. Tip 8. Get some exercise every day. We get it. The last thing you want to do after your headache is go do some exercise. But even exercising for at least 30 minutes, 5 times every week, can greatly help in taking away the tension that has built up in your body. Tip number 9. Apply a cold pack to your forehead. To reduce swelling and numb your head pain, simply apply a cold pack to your head or the area where you are feeling pain for 10 to 15 minutes. Tip number 10. Fix your posture. Sometimes your headaches might be a result of muscle tightening. Your muscles tighten when you have a bad posture, like slouching or not sitting up straight. Especially in today's world where we spend most of our time on computers, it's very important to master the art of correct body posture. Tip 11. Drink more water. If your mouth is always dried up and lacks enough water, there's a possibility of you getting a tension headache. Drink as much water as possible every day. This can also be helpful with foods that are simply rich in water. Most vegetables and fruits are good sources of water. Tip 12. Always eat foods that are part of a balanced diet. Missing or avoiding meals can be a big cause of your throbbing headache. To prevent this, simply try to eat a balanced diet at the same time every day. This might mean eating fruits for lunch and whole grains or vegetables for dinner. Tip number 13. Reduce the amount of caffeine and alcohol you drink. Caffeine is a big ingredient in many headache medicines, but those can in fact also bring about headaches. Try to avoid tea, coffee, alcohol, and diuretic drinks because these suck out the essential fluids from your body, leaving you dehydrated and more prone to headaches. And lastly, tip 14. Try physiotherapy. Along with learning relaxation techniques and breathing exercises, we recommend that you visit a physiotherapist. Physiotherapists specialize in pinpointing why your muscles have tensed up, which help a ton in easing your body. By easing your body, you are already well on your way to getting rid of your headaches for good. If you ever experienced tension headaches or used other methods to treat them, then we would all love to hear your story in comments below. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.